So, I just wanted to post a YouTube video real quick. I'm going to a Comets hockey game, so yeah, I'm gonna be gone. So I just wanted to post one really quick before I leave. But I did want to show you my Nerf guns and stuff. I mean, see, awesome, right? Where is it? See, there. There's one of them, and then there's all these. Yeah, there's those little tiny ones. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that, and I also have this one. Let me get it. Makeup Reach. Yeah. So I just wanted to show you guys those real quick before I leave. So, alright. Dylan's signing off.